Instagram TV has an exciting new update, and you're not going to want to miss this. It's going to help you to get your videos seen more. And if you're doing Instagram marketing as well as Facebook marketing, and you're using videos for either Facebook or Instagram or YouTube, you're going to be able to use this. It's great news for you. So let's get into today's video. Hey there everybody, my name is Brandon Brashears. I create daily digital marketing videos here, so if you're looking to grow your brand or your business with digital marketing, be sure to subscribe. If you have any questions at all, please comment below. So let's talk about Instagram TV. If you're not familiar with Instagram TV, I've actually created a video on how to upload IGTV videos. But here's the thing, it's actually not completely up to date, because when I made that video, you could only upload videos that were in portrait. So you had to go through, take the videos that you were shooting in landscape, export them in portrait, and then you had to redo, and it just was a bunch of extra workflow. So if you produce videos, there's really good news. You can now upload in landscape as well. So what does this mean for you? So number one, if you're posting videos on YouTube or Facebook, you should absolutely take those videos and post them on IGTV as well. Instagram is giving a lot of weight, and they're giving extra organic distribution to IGTV videos. They're trying to make this a platform that people consume long-form video on. And as a result, they're just going to be promoting and pushing out these videos more. So I think that as just a benefit of having additional, algorithm juice to it, that you're going to be able to get more views, more followers, and more engagement. So be sure to take your videos, upload them to IGTV, as well as all of the other platforms that you're using. And if you have anything that's in the hopper that you've created a long time ago, post it consistently. Now there's not an easy way to upload these, and schedule them, but if you go to desktop, you go to Instagram.com, you click on your profile, and then click on IGTV, you can hit upload. If you have less than 10,000 followers, you can submit videos that are up to 10 minutes in length. Make sure that you title the videos appropriately, make sure that you're using hashtags, and then make sure you're clicking that button that takes and pushes the first 60 seconds of the video into the news feed so that you get as many views as possible. There's not a tremendous amount of discovery inside of IGTV, and so I think that showing in the news feed, not the news feed, but the Instagram feed specifically, is important for getting your videos out there. You can also use stories, and you don't even have to have 10,000 followers to have the swipe up in stories. That's the call to action. So you'll post a small chunk of the video, or you can post a still image, and then you can link to that IGTV video so that when people swipe up, it takes them to that video inside of Instagram. So I think that it's a really engaging platform. There's so much attention here. There's so much potential and possibility. And a lot of creators too are keeping most of their content on sites that they can, monetize as well. So if you have a business that has monetization other than AdSense and, monetizing views and things, you're going to be able to get out further and get more eyeballs on your videos. So I hope this was helpful. Please comment below if you have any questions, you need help with anything. Please don't hesitate to reach out. I again hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day, everybody.